जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक। जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Now may I welcome the Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Yusuf Yaqub Lari, Acting Director of Information and Follow-up Capital Governorate, and Muhammad Mansoor, Vice President of KHK Heroes Global Compassion, and
our Chief Guest, Mr. Yusuf Yaqub Lari, Acting Director of Information and Follow-up Capital Governorate, Mr. Muhammad Mansoor, Vice President KHK Heroes Global Compassion, Mr. Francis Kaidaras, Chairman and Managing Director, IMAC Bahrain Media City. Good evening and all. As the patron of this event, thank each one of you for being here with us, as today we have gathered celebrate 49th National Day of Bahrain and honor our guest, respected Yusuf Yaqub Lari.
Good evening to all. A warm welcome to the respected chief guest for today's event, Mr. Yusuf Luri, the Acting Director of Information and Follow-up of the Capital Governorate, Kingdom of Bahrain. Also, I would like to welcome Mr. Muhammad Mansoor, the Vice President of KHK Heroes. നമ്മുടെ വാഹനം സൗജന്യമായി തന്ന ശ്രീ ഫ്രാൻസിസ് കൈതാരത്ത്, അദ്ദേഹത്തെ എത്ര പുകഴ്ത്തിയാലും മതിയാവില്ല. അത് നമുക്ക് അതിന് സഞ്ചാരയോഗ്യമാക്കിയ നമ്മളൊരു രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ പോലും ഇല്ലാത്ത ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു വാട്സപ്പ് കൂട്ടായ്മയിലും തുടങ്ങിയ ആ ഒരു കൂട്ടായ്മ ഇത്രയും മഹനീയമായെങ്കിൽ അതിന് ബഹ്റൈനിലെ ഷെയ്ഖ് ഖാലിദ് അഹമ്മദ് ബിൻ ഖലീഫയുടെ രക്ഷാധികാരത്തിലുള്ള KHK ഹീറോസിൽ നിന്ന് അത്തരമൊരു ഹെൽത്തിൽ നിന്ന് പെർമിഷനുമായി തന്ന ശ്രീ മൻസൂർ, അദ്ദേഹം വളരെ വിശാലമായിട്ടുള്ള മനസ്കതയാണ് നമുക്ക് കാണിച്ചത്. ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ വേറിട്ട പല കാര്യങ്ങളും കൂട്ടമായി വന്നപ്പോഴാണ് എന്താണ് BKSFൻ്റെ ആ അർത്ഥവത്തായിട്ടുള്ള പ്രവർത്തനം എന്നുള്ളത് ജനങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയത്.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Mr. Yusuf Yaqub Lari, Acting Director of Information and Follow-up Capital Governorate, to inaugurate this National Day celebration.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, good evening everyone. I'm very glad here today to come to this nice event, and especially in the nice occasion of the National Days. And also it's very good occasion to thank all the BKSF for their excellent efforts and distinguished efforts towards combating COVID-19. We are at the Capital Governorate. We are very keen to make sure to help all the communities, especially with the great leadership of His Excellency Sheikh Hisham Al-Rahman Al-Khalifa and all the team at the Capital Governorate. We start helping people before Ramadan. We were the first who start donating food kits and meals, fresh meals to the needy people. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all BKSF team and the sponsor and supporters. BKSF, they played a very big role in helping all the needy people during COVID-19. They were assisting in the airports. They were trying to do the distribution of food kits and food meals every day. They were our partner in distributing food as a volunteers from day one up to day. So even I think last week BKSF was participating with us in food distribution. Mr. Bashir also, he's a great friend of us now and all the team at BKSF. We are glad that His Excellency the Governor is always trying to push us to support all the communities regardless their nationality or their religion. So Bahrain is the land of everyone. So thank you very much and happy National Day. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Please join me to welcome Mr. Muhammad Mansoor, Vice President of KHK Heroes Global Convention. His timely effort to get approval from Ministry of Health and authorities to provide free transport for COVID-infected patients.
Acting Director of Information and Follow-up, Capital Governorate, respected Mr. Yusuf Yaqub Lori, Mr. Anthony Paulos, Mr. Muhammad Mansoor, Vice President KHK Heroes. It is simply I had given one mini bus for giving up the transport service. Yes, it is made by Muhammad Mansoor only. It made it legal.
Thank you. Our chief guest, Mr. Yusuf Yaqub Lori, Acting Director of Information and Follow-up Capital Governorate, and Mr. Kedar Nath, Chairman and Managing Director of IMAC Bahrain Media City, and Mr. Anthony Paulos, Together We Care, and Mr. Zubair Kannur, Patron BKSF, Mr. Bashir Ambalai, Patron BKSF, and Mr. Harris Payangadi, Convener BKSF. And my friends, Mr. Abraham John and Mr. Nasir, and all the members who are present here, and the beautiful the kids over there, for all happy Bahrain National Day. Today, all our guests spoke about all why we are here, everything. We are more than 30, 40 years here. Even myself, I'm 33 years. So like, my kids even still, they think they're Bahrainis only, even though we are Indians. So sometimes we have to show them, oh, you're from India. You know, because this Bahrain made us so homely. And not only that, I do business all around the world. So I see all over the country, even like US and Europe and everywhere, Far East, everywhere seen. But believe me, I never seen country like Bahrain. It's so friendly, and the people and the country also. That is why it is so special. And when we are all happy, suddenly the COVID has come, pandemic has come. And this is the time, really we know the people of, so-called helping. You know, there is a lot of organizations are there, those who are helping to the needies. But especially when the COVID, it was a big challenge. Because I remember when our founder of KHK Heroes, His Highness, he said, none of them in Bahrain will sleep hungry. Please find out and go. Our foundation, even though our foundation is made for underprivileged and promoting the youths of Bahrain. But he said, all your team dedicate for this, none of them will sleep hungry. But especially I salute BKSF. Why? I'll tell you certain reasons. This Bashir Ambalai, you know, he's also with us in IOC. We worked a lot. He's so-called, I call him Rocket, because, you know, if we say any kind of events, anything, you know, I just say, Bashir, this is the event. And the next, everything is over. You know, this is that kind of courageous guy. Then he said that, Mr. Mansoor, we are come up with the BKSF and we are helping all the peoples, needy peoples. I said, really? And your people are really coming out? And he said, yes, come and see. And one day, 12 o'clock, midnight, he called me. I said, Mr. Mansoor, there is one gentleman, he's in the garden. I said, so? I said, he doesn't have a home. I said, why? And its sponsor has kicked him out because he didn't have money to pay. I said, okay, fine, where is he? I said, he's in somewhere in, I think, yeah. So I said, okay, fine. So I drove the car in midnight and I said, okay, Bashir, where is he? I said, he's the gentleman. I said, okay, fine. And he's got around 5-10 volunteers with him. And obviously with the COVID guidelines and the masks and all. And without any scare, they are helping the gentleman. Then we took him to the hospital. And we, with the help of Dr. Kurian Verghese, we provided him the room till he get, the ticket to return. And we kept him very safe. And these volunteers, day and night, given him food and a lot of things and the like. See, for this, you need really a big heart. Sometimes, so many people come with the money. Okay, how to deliver that money for the needy, for the people, and this pandemic, because people are really scared to go out, whether if we get COVID, and we'll be done, finish. And here, this is the real courageous, these volunteers, even though they are ready to take challenge to help others. What we have to think is that the same thing happened to our family, within our house. So that time, we will do out of our way, we'll help them. So similarly, the country, the whole people are our people. And this is like even our Prophet also said, he's not a Muslim. Those who are stomach is full and his neighbor is hungry. So it's like a universal, every human being should help. It is not that especially, like all this, our volunteers really, somebody should request to come and help. And this is these COVID warriors. I salute them by heart. They worked and they served the complete pandemic, day and night, without any scare. They helped. I say really big salute to all the team of BKSF. And also, the capital governorate, every time Mr. Bashir used to say that, okay, today capital governorate has come up with so much food, and I think once I remember that we went to some 700 people's food we delivered in Askar, one labor camp. So that is a big thanks to capital governorate and this pandemic you especially did a great job, and very thanks for that, and also supporting BKSF. Not only BKSF, the whole Bahrain, the needy people. And I don't want to talk much on this. And once again, thanks to the leaders of Bahrain and the people of Bahrain for giving us such a friendly treatment to the expats. And also, just now, I think Mr. Kedarnath said, this is the only country in the whole world in COVID handled so nicely, and we never faced any lockdown, and we never faced anything like what other countries are faced. And thank you very much for the leadership for that. And by saying this, I request more people to come forward to do this kind of humanitarian works in future and help others, because this is the satisfaction for yourself when you go and sleep in the night. You feel yourself that you did something good for your happiness. And thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Mansoor, for your valuable support and service in this pandemic situation. Now let me welcome Mr. Abraham John, past president of Indian School, to hand over the memento to Mr. Nizamuddin for his brave heart to serve as a driver to transport COVID-infected patients to the hospital and quarantine centers.
Please come any coordinator of transport, Mr. Naushad Poonur.
Thank you, Mr. Nizamuddin and Mr. Abraham John. Let me welcome Mr. Bashir Ambalai and Mr. Zubair Kannur and Haris Parangadi to hand over the moment to our chief guest, Mr. Yusuf Yaqub Lori, Acting Director of Information and Follow-up Capital Governorate. Lovely act as splendid aid to humanity amidst pandemic COVID-19. Thank you. Please give me a big round of applause. And let me request our executive members to hand over the calligraphy to Yusuf Yaqub Lori. Please join me to welcome Mr. Francis Kaidarat to receive back the key, and I request Mr. Muhammad Mansoor and Naushad Poonur to hand over the key back. Thank you all.